Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey through the evolution of mobile phones, from the classic flip phones of the early 2000s to the cutting-edge folding phones of today. It's been an incredible ride, and we've had the pleasure of witnessing and reviewing many of these devices along the way. If you're excited about this trip down memory lane, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's dive in. The flip phone era. The early 2000s were dominated by flip phones, with the Motorola Razr leading the charge. The Razr wasn't just a phone, it was a cultural icon. With its sleek, compact design and satisfying snap when opened, it fit perfectly in your pocket and made a fashion statement. Despite lacking advanced features, the Razr captured our imagination and set the stage for future innovations in mobile technology. The birth of smartphones. The landscape of mobile technology dramatically shifted in 2007 with the introduction of the iPhone. This revolutionary device brought a touch interface and an app ecosystem that changed everything. The early iPhones might have lacked features like a front-facing camera, but they laid the groundwork for a new era of mobile computing. Shortly after, Android emerged, offering consumers a variety of hardware and customization options. Devices like the HTC Dream and the flagship Galaxy and Pixel series pushed the boundaries of what smartphones could do. The rise of touchscreen dominance. As smartphones evolved, touchscreens became the norm. Capacitive touch technology replaced physical keyboards, allowing for larger displays and more interactive experiences. This shift enabled more immersive apps and games, enhancing the overall user experience. The rapid improvements in screen technology, from AMOLED displays to high refresh rates, significantly changed how we interact with our devices. The advent of folding phones. Fast forward to today, and we're in the era of folding phones. What once seemed like science fiction has become a reality. Samsung led the charge with the Galaxy Fold, a device that transitions from a smartphone to a tablet. Early models faced challenges, such as durability issues and noticeable creases, but manufacturers persevered, refining their designs. Today, folding phones like the Galaxy Z Fold series offer a unique blend of portability and versatility, blurring the lines between traditional smartphones and tablets. Reviewing folding phones. As tech enthusiasts, we've had the opportunity to explore many folding phones from various manufacturers. From Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold to Huawei's Mate X, each device brings its own innovations and challenges. The engineering behind these devices is impressive, and advancements in display technology have made them possible. Software optimization is crucial to ensure a seamless user experience across different form factors, and it's fascinating to see how far we've come. The importance of innovation. Innovation in mobile technology isn't just about new features. It's about redefining how we interact with our devices. Folding phones represent a significant leap, offering new ways to multitask and consume media. Manufacturers have tackled issues like hinge durability and screen longevity, making these devices more reliable and user-friendly. The race to innovate continues to drive the industry forward, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Looking ahead. So what's next? The future of mobile tech is incredibly exciting. We might see rollable phones that expand and contract like a scroll, or transparent displays that offer immersive AR experiences. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see how technology will continue to evolve and reshape our lives. One thing is certain: as long as there are new innovations on the horizon, we'll be here to share our thoughts and insights with you. Conclusion. In conclusion, the past decade has been a whirlwind of innovation in mobile technology. From the iconic flip phones to the futuristic folding phones, we've had the privilege of exploring and sharing insights on these advancements. As we look to the future, we're excited to see what's next in the world of mobile tech. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the evolution of mobile phones. See you in the next video.